Alright guys, so anyway, you saw some drone footage. I'm in here messing with this. I gotta do a video on that, but yeah, they're pretty much just on the roof. It's hard to see. Anyway, they're just working like regular employees do, real employees I should say. Anyway, alright guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you gotta do. I'm gonna work on this. I finally got the kit, so I'm gonna do a video. So stay tuned for this video if you want to watch it. See you guys on the next one. Later. Alright, good morning guys. You can hear they're out there throwing stuff, getting work done. Anyway, welcome back. Half past 7:19. Getting ready to try, hopefully install these Kryptonite tie rods, arms, ball joints, ball joint there, ball joint there. So I took the one off my car. But yeah, so kit includes, they don't even have the kit number because they tore it off, but the other one was wrong. So if you watch my other video of the Kryptonite install, it was wrong. And then yeah, it was wrong. They were wrong. They were for a razor, so they were like 2 inches too long. Ball joints were way too small over here, and these were just totally different, more beefy I should say, but not as good as these. Getting to work. Anyway, kit comes with the 2 tie rods with ball joints, cotter pins, anti-seize. Not quite sure what the anti-seize is for. That's not included. Comes with the lanyard, 2 stickers. The other kit I had instructions. This one does not. So I'll have to go on their website and look up instructions. So I got to figure out which one is going to be my left and which one's going to be my right. But they both look like they're going to be the same. Oh, okay, good. Because I don't want them, I don't know, OCD I guess. I don't want them both to be, one say this one and that one say this one. But anyway. So anyway, yeah, basically mine is a 19 millimeter for this. I believe it was, I got the wrenches in the toy hauler, but I won't say it's 1 inch and 5/16 for this, or a crescent wrench, or channel locks, however you're gonna do it. And then this one's a lot bigger. Let's see. 1.5 inches. No, it might be something different. Maybe 1 3/8 or something, which I don't think I have. I think I have 1 1/4, 1 inch and 5/16. So I guess I'm just gonna have to use the adjustable metric wrench, which is right here, or the adjustable NPT wrench, National Pipe Thread wrench. But anyway, yeah, I'm just doing the work in the toy hauler, so I gotta figure out how to get this dude off. Take a measurement first from here, I think from the end of the threads to center this, and you can see these ball joints are shot. So, good thing I'm doing this. But anyway, I don't know if you can see all the glitter floating, all the fiberglass. Ugh, I don't even want to walk in it. Yeah. The sparklies. But anyway. Alright guys, I'm gonna get to measuring this one, sticking one of these on, and then I'm not quite sure what the deal is with these. You tighten this down and you put a cotter pin in it. So I don't really know. I don't understand it. If you tighten this 12-point nut down, you have a cotter pin way up here. I don't understand their reasoning with it. I don't know if you tighten it and it makes the joint flare out. I don't really get it. But anyway, I might have to go do this in the toy hauler just in case they fall through. I don't think they will. Alright, we'll get back. Maybe when I take the other one off, I'll show you guys a little clip of that, but yeah, a lot going on. I'll be back. Alright guys, got the kid coming out, got them on the roof. Alright, so I had to have the kid help me put these Kryptonite tie rods on. Kind of a pain in the butt, just the boot itself. The way the instructions say to put the boot on doesn't make any sense, but got the boot on. Got the cotter pin in. I don't know what's going to do. This is tight. The bottom nut is tight. It's an 18 millimeters, the bottom nut. It's a 13 millimeter or half inch 12-point here. And then I don't remember what these are, but I basically eyeballed it. And I had the kid double eyeball it for me. So I straightened the wheel as best as it could be for straight, like centered, and then put it in. So if you can see, this one has a lot less thread than this side. So however, I probably should have shortened that one a little bit, extended that one a little bit, and then probably taken the steering wheel itself off and then cocked it over one tooth or something. But for now, it's good. I think it'll be good. Steering feels way tighter. Before I had like a clunk clunk, but you can see barely even move it, and it is yeah, good to go, ready to go off-roading one of these days. I wish I had a lot less stress of the roof the last 2 weeks, because we could have went out and rode, but we didn't. Didn't do anything, just sat in the house and stressed about life and rain and wind and crying. But now I got these guys here. Their boss said that they have to go to Ontario, California tomorrow, and so it looks like the boss is going to be here by himself tomorrow. So I'm going to try to help as little as I can, but if you guys know me, I can't just sit there and not do anything. But anyway, but yeah, guys, that's it. It went pretty smooth, other than, like I said, the boots were kind of a pain. I had to heat them up. I did them different than the way they wanted you to do them. Let me go show you guys this instructions, but they cleaned up too. Tire looks a little low. I'll have to check the tire pressure, but The trailer is full. The trailer is heavy. Garage is looking a little less. Anyway, so here's my old arms. So it's not supposed to be like that. They're not too terribly bad, but they're not that great either. This one's worse. So this one was the driver's side. This one was the passenger side. And yeah, so I have spares. I'm gonna keep these. Probably keep one of them in my box. I'll take it apart and keep it in my box. This way, if this piece bends, I can just replace this and leave the ball joint on. Oh no, I can't. Stupid. Well, I'll have to break it down anyway. Break it down into pieces, and then I'll just keep one spare in the car, in the box. But anyway, instructions. I printed them out as best as I could. But it gives you that grease stuff. And then it tells you to put the boot on like this, which doesn't make sense to me. It's a hose clamp. So they want you to put the boot over this. And then somehow have... I don't know. It didn't make sense. I tried doing it the way they did it, or they said to do it, but I guess that's the jam nut. That's the jam nut. That's the arm, the boot, and the ball joint, inner ball joint. So they want you to put the boot on, and then put the nut on. Okay, it kind of makes sense. I was kind of doing it wrong, but anyway, what I ended up doing, because this boot, unless you cut it, it's just too tight to go over this. So I ended up heating this end up, heating it up and shoving it over from the opposite end. So I took the boot, it's the big end, the tiny end. I took the boot, heated the small end up, and then basically spread it over the whole rod. And then now it's basically held on the nut with the hose clamp. So anyway, I need some water. But yeah, that's all I got. Put the cotter pins in. I don't know what the cotter pins are going to do other than hopefully not let the nut back out and be completely lost, because it can back out about 1/4 inch, 5/16 of an inch. But anyway, guys, yeah, once these guys leave, the kid in me got to start huffing up shingles. We got to start bringing shingles up. I gotta put the flex hose on the fart fan vent there. And then start slinging shingles. Slinging the shingles up there. So, but yeah, I guess once they're gone, hopefully there's still daylight, but I'll cruise the drone up there. Got a new box for the drone too, so pretty cool. Pretty cheap too. Anyway, all right, guys, that's gonna be it. Yeah. I'll upload. I'll put a little drone footage, whether it's tomorrow morning or this evening, of their progress. I just hope he knows he's putting these in, and I hope he knows he's taking that out, because I've told him about 4 or 5 times. I can't tell the other guys anything because language barrier. I don't speak their language, and they don't understand my language, so, but whatever. So this has to come out. I have to put a piece of plywood there or something, or leave it and dig the flashing out of the dumpster or the dump trailer. But yeah, anyway, all right, guys, that's gonna be it. I don't want to do too much tomorrow because I have to go to work Sunday morning, so I don't want to break my back too bad. So, all right, That's all I got. I'll leave a link where you can get these. This Kryptonite. Kryptonite. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Keep being you. And yeah, don't be that person. Thanks for watching. Later.